This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Povidone Iodine Betadine Feminine Wash. First, understand its purpose. This wash contains povidone iodine, designed for external feminine hygiene. It helps cleanse, deodorize, and relieve minor irritation. It's important to know when and how to apply it correctly for the best results and to maintain your comfort and freshness. Now, let's go through the application steps. First, dilute 5 tablespoons of the wash in 1 liter of clean, warm water. Gently pour this solution over your external vaginal area. Allow the solution to remain on the skin for about 15 to 30 seconds. Finally, rinse the area thoroughly with clean, warm water. This ensures proper cleansing. Before using, please note some important precautions. Do not use this product if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Also, avoid it if you have a known allergy to iodine. If you experience any irritation or a rash, discontinue use immediately. Always consult a healthcare professional for persistent symptoms or any concerns you may have about its use. Using Betadine Feminine Wash offers several benefits. It provides effective relief from minor external vaginal irritation and helps maintain natural feminine freshness. You can use it for daily hygiene or during menstruation for extra cleanliness. Always follow the specific product instructions to ensure optimal results and a comfortable experience. It's a simple way to feel refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.